putting you in a on your mark, get set. Okay, guys. Blown away. I feel like every time I see Toy Story 3 with Cookie Often, I will always picture the sermon at the dancing I saw. Alright, now, my applause meter. I know. Don't worry, they're both winning awesome prizes. And they're both about to go and lay down. Alright, let me hear some voices here. Alright. And let me hear some noise over here. Now I'm going to take you to account the one thing that went on secretly with the Radio Disney Rock and Roll crew as well. And I'm going to give our runner-up and winner of 4 tickets to the birthday right over here. Right over here. All right. Awesome. You guys take one more bounce. It's right here. Thank you for one more applause.
Breaking news.
Uh-oh, pilot breaking news. Wait a minute.
Just got in touch with our Disney station. Apparently we were rummaging around the back door closet and we found 4 extra tickets to the Disneyland Resort.
It looks like both of them are walking away with you. Your talent is this good on the stage. We can't not do that.